Long ago, before stars had been born, before galaxies spun into existence, the universe was a blinding furnace of energy and chaos. It was a place of creation and destruction, where the laws of physics as we know them were just taking shape. At that moment, the universe was stretched, twisted, and warped at unimaginable speeds. For an instant, space itself grew faster than light, expanding at a rate that defies comprehension. This event, this explosive expansion, is called cosmic inflation. In the blink of an eye, the universe grew from a subatomic speck into the vast expanse we now see. A universe teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. But hidden within this extraordinary expansion are the faintest whispers, ripples in space-time itself, the echoes of this event still reverberating across the universe. These ripples, these gravitational waves, are more than just disturbances in space. They're the very whispers of the universe's birth. Created by the immense forces at play during inflation, they are the traces of a cosmic moment that occurred before time itself could even be measured. The search for these waves is the search for our deepest origins, a quest to hear the echoes of creation itself. To comprehend these echoes, we must return to the very heart of the universe's origin. Imagine, if you will, the birth of space itself. In the first infinitesimal fraction of a second, the universe underwent an unimaginable expansion from a singularity to the vastness we now know. This was the process of cosmic inflation, a brief yet mind-boggling event where space itself was stretched faster than the speed of light. During this violent expansion, tiny quantum fluctuations, minute and almost imperceptible, were stretched across the universe. These fluctuations, though infinitesimally small at the time, would go on to form the building blocks of everything: galaxies, stars, planets, and ultimately life itself. But within these minuscule variations lies something even more profound, something that, if detected, could illuminate the earliest moments of the universe, before galaxies, before atoms, before even light itself. Gravitational waves were born in these early moments, ripples in space-time, created by the immense forces that shaped the universe. These waves carried with them the imprint of the universe's birth, faint whispers of a time when the cosmos was just beginning to take form. Yet these waves are elusive, delicate, and incredibly faint. To detect them is to peer directly into the heart of creation itself. Gravitational waves are not like ordinary waves you might see on the surface of the ocean. Instead, they ripple through space-time itself. Imagine a stone dropped in the middle of a calm pond. The resulting ripples spread outward. Similarly, when massive objects like black holes or neutron stars move or collide, they send out ripples, disturbances that travel across the cosmos at the speed of light. Here on Earth, scientists use powerful instruments like LIGO and Virgo to measure the tiniest of these ripples. The changes they detect are staggeringly small, measuring distortions smaller than the width of a proton. It's as though we are trying to measure the movement of an atom caused by a cosmic event billions of light years away. Yet, this is our reality. The quest to detect gravitational waves from inflation is the pursuit of the faintest of signals, almost imperceptible against the noise of the universe. These waves are incredibly difficult to detect because they are not only faint, but they are also drowned out by the cacophony of other cosmic events. The signals from colliding black holes, merging neutron stars, or even the Earth's own vibrations constantly interfere with the data. But through the immense precision of instruments like LIGO, scientists are slowly beginning to peel away the noise. working to uncover the faint traces of the universe's earliest whispers. One of the most promising places to search for these ancient waves is in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the earliest light we can observe, a relic from the time when the universe was only 380,000 years old. Within this primordial glow lies a treasure trove of information, a snapshot of the universe's infancy. But within these temperature fluctuations, scientists believe there may be a more subtle distortion, a signature left by gravitational waves from the inflationary era. When a gravitational wave passes through space-time, it distorts everything in its path, including light itself. These distortions leave behind faint traces, subtle polarization patterns in the CMB. These tiny, almost imperceptible changes are exactly what scientists are looking for. To find them is to uncover the first whispers of the universe's birth, a signal so faint, it would be like listening for the softest whisper in the vastness of space. Here, in these research centers, scientists are engaged in one of the most profound scientific quests in history. They are not merely seeking data, they are searching for meaning. Each data point they uncover, each small distortion they measure, brings them one step closer to hearing the echoes of creation. The faintest ripple, the slightest deviation, could reveal the secrets of the universe's origins. And with every test, every observation, they inch closer to understanding how the universe was born and how it came to be. And soon, the search will extend beyond Earth's surface. LISA, the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, will be launched in the coming years, and it will offer a whole new perspective on gravitational waves. With its sensitive space-based instruments, LISA will have the potential to detect the faintest of signals from the early universe, sweeping through space where Earth-based detectors can't reach. Imagine, for a moment, what it would mean to detect these waves. It would be nothing short of revolutionary. We would be looking into the heart of creation itself, observing the very first moments when the universe began to take shape. These primordial waves hold within them the key to understanding not just the origins of matter, but perhaps even the nature of space and time itself. They carry information about the birth of the universe, about forces that we can only begin to comprehend. To uncover these signals would be to touch the very essence of existence, one of the most profound discoveries in human history. It would be a journey into the past, a moment when we would hear the first whispers of the universe's birth. In these waves, we would not only find the story of our origins, but perhaps answers to questions that have haunted humanity for millennia. What is the nature of time? What forces govern the birth of the cosmos? And what does this all mean for the future of our universe? The search for inflation's echoes is only just beginning. As our instruments grow more sensitive, and as our understanding of the cosmos deepens, we will continue to search, to listen, to seek the answers that lie hidden in the ripples of space-time. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe not just as it is today, but as it once was, before stars and galaxies, before light itself. In the end, the echoes of inflation are not just signals from the past. They're the cosmic whispers that bind us to the very origins of everything we know. They are the memory of the universe, passed down through the eons, waiting for us to listen. And when we do, we will not only hear the story of our universe's birth, but perhaps even catch a glimpse of the mysteries yet to come. The hunt for inflation's echoes is the search for our own origins, a journey into the heart of creation. It is a quest that transcends time and space, reaching back to the very beginning of everything. And as we listen for those distant whispers, We stand on the edge of a discovery that could change our understanding of the universe forever.